Hey guys, this is MORGBORG here, and today we are going to look at the ringtones and notification sounds on the Samsung Galaxy J3 Orbit. So, for the ringtones, I'm going to play each ringtone for 15 seconds, and then for the notification sound, I'll just play those in full. So, let's begin. Here's Astro. Alright, and then I'll do the next one, Basic Bell. And then, excuse that, the next one is Beep Once. And the next one is Beep Beep. And then the next one is City Lights. The next one is Coffee. The next one is Constellation. The next one is Donkey. The next one is Friday. The next one is Holiday. The next one is Ice Cream. The next one is Meadow. The next one is Midnight Swing. The next one is Morning Glory. The next one is Orange. The next one is Over the Horizon. The next one is Over the Horizon Mellow Mix. The next one is Pick It Up. The next one is Rose. The next one is Rubber Ball. Pardon. Next one is Rush. The next one is Shimmer. The next one is Smooth Wave. The next one is Space Funk. The next one is Stairway. The next one is Starlight. The next one is Sunset. The next one is Time Up. The next one is Travel. The next one is Wood. And then the last one is 0G. And now on to notification sounds. Going from top down, the first one is beep once. The next one is carnival. And then we have charming bell. The next one is chime. The next one is clue. The next one is coin. The next one is contact. The next one is crystal. The next one is daydream. The next one is dewdrops. The next one is ding dong. The next one is doorbell. The next one is good news. The next one is hello. The next one is knock. The next one is letter. The next one is moonlight. The next one is on time. The next one is one drop. The next one is opener. The next one is pianist. The next one is piano. The next one is pizzicato. The next one is rise. The next one is robot. The next one is skyline. The next one is snap. The next one is twinkle. The next one is vintage. And the last one is whisper. So yeah, that is the notification and ringtone sounds on the Samsung Galaxy J3 Orbit. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, peace.